Hey guys, just want to show you guys a real cool vacuum device I made out of my AC gauge here. You guys are familiar with this gauge, and when you're doing your valve lapping, you want to check to see if it's holding vacuum real well or pressure. What I did basically just took my AC manifold gauge, hook it up to traditional vacuum pump there. You can get that at Harbor Freight. And all I did was at the low side, I just made myself a device here, or a pad with the suction pad here. Just plug it in like that, just like you would on the low side AC. And now I could test my vacuum and see how well my valves are holding. So check it out. Let's turn this on. You can see the gauges is at 10 right now, or pretty much 0. If I put suction on that, that's gonna read about 26 inch of mercury, which is about the best it's gonna hold. But if I test that on my head, it's holding just about the same, 26-ish, 25 to 26 inch of mercury right there. I can test the next one just like that. Check that out. Pulling about 25, going on probably about 26. I'll show you it again with the gauge at 10, and watch as I plug it to the next cylinder. Boom. That's pretty cool. And it's holding vacuum real good. Let me see if I can show you guys the under part. So I got those valves cleaned out earlier, and they're holding vacuum real well. I even tried like soapy water, spray that on there with the head flipped upside down, and nothing was seeping through at all. Was holding all that soapy water. And so it's a pretty cool device. Just thought I'd show you guys that you ain't gotta go buy no fancy tool out there. Just take your AC manifold gauge and hook it up this way. You might just have to make yourself one of these pad here, but other than that, it's pretty easy. And so yeah, just want to show you guys that you can do this, and before you slap the heads back on, knowing for sure that nothing's gonna crap out on you when you got everything put back together. So thanks for watching, and please like. I'll see you on the next one.